Yeah, I'm Jonathan Gaines, JG Plumbing Gas Services. I currently have 3 staff, including myself. We cover Torbay, North Shore, Auckland. We do plumbing, gas fitting, bathroom renos, and we've been going for about 4 years now. Halo is a group, community, like-minded people, and obviously share similar sort of views, and obviously want to all have the similar final result, which is drive your business, create more money, and obviously be a better service product provider, etc. Yes, yeah, obviously with the buying group, you save a lot more through the buying group with obviously power to buy. With more people, you get better prices. Yeah, well, we've done the business advisory with Michael Hunt, and that's been really beneficial to the business. It's probably turned us around and moved us forward, and obviously created more staff and pushed the business profits higher, and obviously the better annual return. Yeah. I think it's just good that everybody's together. You can talk with people, speak with like-minded people, and get ideas and throw ideas out there, you know. Yeah, that's for Rising Star. So I've been given that because obviously me EBIT and me profits for each year over the last 2 years have excelled and gone forward because of Halo. Yeah.